Builtbyrich, and today we are upgrading my bucket seats that are currently in a Z with these BuddyClub P1 Racing Evolution Limited. These are awesome seats. They hug your body really tight. It keeps your body from moving when you're in the corners. And because the one I have right now, it's a little loose on the wider side. It's comfortable, but it does give you a lot of movement. I am going to be tracking my car here in the next month, so for that I need to upgrade some parts. So this is where this comes in. So it's a pair of BuddyClub Evolution P1 Racing Limited. It looks comfy and should be good. But first we need to take off the seats that's on the seat right now and get these bad boys installed. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, these are really good seats. They're really sturdy. They're just really not any movement on them, and it's kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but you can feel right here there's a channel where your spine sits, so it's not very feels good in your spine. Also there's a hump right here, so it kind of hugs your legs as well. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. Alright, since I already have this bracket, I'm just going to reuse them. They're perfectly fine. Should work out pretty well. And there you have it. Install is complete. Also installed a 5-point harness from Race Equip, courtesy of Society. Hit them up if you need the set. But overall, I'm very happy with this fitment. I actually have more rooms on the side, and yeah, it does hug really tight. So if you have wide shoulders, it hugs you pretty well. So consider that when you're purchasing. If you want something that's comfortable, go with the wide instead of the normal. If you want something that hugs you really tight, go with the normal, because it really hugs you. I ain't going nowhere. BuddyClub, thank you, and catch you all later.